I started work in Woodville on April the 11th, 1966, and my first job was assistant forester. And I never liked to be assistant anything, but I was assistant forester, and that's just what we called the entry-level foresters at that time. And the work was primarily to, much like our foresters today, to work with non-industrial private forest landowners. Except at that time, there weren't a whole lot of forest landowners that were too much interested in practicing forestry. They never had before and didn't see any need to then either. But the biggest part of my work was twofold. One was, it was in the era of the southern pine beetle outbreak that had been going on for decades before that and went on for decades after that. And so I spent probably 75% of my time in southern pine beetle control, both the detection, a lot of time spent in airplanes looking down for bug infestations, and then we'd go on the ground and find them, and then we had crews that would control the beetles. And then the other thing that I did was I was put in charge of managing the Alabama Coshada Indian Reservation timber. And that was a eye-opening experience working with Indians, but really made a lot of friends there, and saw some real interesting ways of looking at managing timber from those folks. But that's essentially what I did to start off with.